Managing Apple advertising settings on your iPhone 16 lets you control how personalized ads are delivered to you while using Apple services. Here's how to access and manage these settings on the new iPhone. First, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon. This will launch the Settings app menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. On the next menu, you'll see the inbuilt privacy and security features. Scroll towards the bottom section and then tap on Apple Advertising. Finally, tap on the Personalized Ads switch to turn the feature on or off. Enabling this feature allows Apple to utilize information about your app usage and interests to deliver more relevant ads within the App Store, Apple News, and Stocks. Meanwhile, disabling personalized ads won't reduce the number of ads you see, but they may be less relevant to your interests. Managing this feature allows you to control how your data is used for targeted advertising, giving you more privacy and potentially reducing the number of irrelevant ads you encounter. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.